Welcome to Smart Kids. Welcome to Smart Kids. Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are safe and healthy with your family. Welcome to our class. I hope you all are enjoying your study very well. I hope you all are enjoying your lesson very well. Children, do you want to listen story? It's a story time. Today we are going to learn story time. It is very interesting story. Do you want to listen? It is very interesting story. Today we are going to learn story time. We are going to learn story time in English subject. In second standard, we are going to learn story time. The name of story is Unity is Strange. Unity is strange. An old man lived with his 4 sons in a village. The old man was worried. His sons were always quarreling with each other. They would never agree on any point. The old man had tried telling them many times to avoid fighting, but his son would not listen to him. They would fight for everything. See in this picture, you can see old man. He was always worried about his son. They always fight to each other. He was always worried. His son always fight to each other. But one day he called his son. One day he called his 4 sons. He gave them a small bundle of sticks and asked them to break the bundle into 2. It is so easy, said the eldest son. He took the bundle and tried to break it. He was surprised that stick in the bundle of remained unbroken. He was more forced. He tried again and again, but the bundle of stick did not break. He gave up. Then his brother tried to break the bundle of stick. They tried hard, but they could not succeed. See, children, one day in this picture you can see his father gave stick to son to everyone. In this picture their father smiled and asked them to unite the bundle. Now the stick was separated. He gave each other a single stick and asked them to break it. Each of the sons took a stick in hand. In no time the sticks were bent and broken. A single stick is easily broken. If four sticks come together, it is impossible to break them. If you are united, help each other and live in friendship, you will be stronger than any enemy. But if you are divided among yourselves and keep fighting, you will be as weak as the single stick in the bundle. Remember, see children, in this picture, all these 4 sons are there in this picture. They are trying to break the stick. You can see in this picture, an old man's son tried to break the stick, but united we stand, divided we fall, said the old man, giving his sons a meaningful look. This time the brother learnt a lesson. They stopped fighting with each other. They started to work together as a team, and that really helped them. See in this picture, then a bundle of stick. Nobody's able to break. In this picture you can see an old man's son are working together as a team. They are not fighting to each other. They are helping to each other. They are united. It means, children, we should not fight to each other. We should always be united as a team worker. See in this picture, union is strength. You can see an old man, his four sons. Father gave bundle of stick to each one of them. See if they are not able to break the stick. A single stick anyone can break. Single stick anyone can break. But bundle of stick nobody can break. See, bundle of stick nobody is able to break. It means we should always be united. A bundle of stick nobody is able to break. Bundle of stick nobody is able to break. It means unity is strength. We should always help to each other. We should work together. Unity is strength. Unity is strength. When there is teamwork, collaboration, wonderful thing can be achieved. Unity is very important for any team or group. When you are united, we can enjoy the taste of success. Unity is the essence of group happiness. You should always remember, unity is strength. Unity means oneness or togetherness. You cannot break heap of break, but you cannot break a single break. The family called a family one only when members live together. Unity is essential. It's formed the central pillar of our country. Solidarity and unity go in hand. We must understand that if we will fall to peace without agreement. United, we are more durable and more immune to foreign attack. The united, our country, only countries that have been together from ancient days. When divided, individual cannot achieve. They had hope. Unity is essential. Educate in our life. We must follow the ethic properly. Unity is essential. It's form the center pillar of our country. Our country that have been together from ancient that have go their place in history. Unity is essential. Educate in our life. We must follow the ethic properly. Togetherness make thing easy. Sometimes we cannot do the thing. Unity strength is a common phrase. It's true to its very easily. Unity means being together. It means standing together in thick and thin. Man is a social animal. It is important for him to stay united with his fellow being, order to lead peaceful and fulfilling the life. We should always work team together like a bundle of stick. We should always be united. We should always help to each other. When there is a team or collaboration, wonderful thing can be achieved. Union is strength. We should be always united. Unity is strength. We should always help to each other. Children, I hope you all enjoy this story very well. Children, at home, you have to revise this story. Have a good day, children. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel.